In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cron job in Hostinger step by step. Even if you've never used cron jobs before, this is a really useful feature if you want to automate tasks on your website, like running scripts, clearing cache, sending emails, syncing data, or scheduling maintenance without doing it manually every time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Hostinger tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, you want to find the hosting area for the website where you want to set up the cron job. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you choose the correct one so the task runs in the right place. Next, click on Advanced. In some Hostinger layouts, you may see Hosting and then Manage instead. Either way, you're looking for the Advanced Hosting settings. This is where Hostinger keeps tools like File Manager, databases, and cron jobs. Once you open that section, look for cron jobs and click it. Now you're in the Cron Job Manager. This is where you can create automated tasks that run on a schedule. If this is your first time here, don't worry, the process is very simple once you understand the fields. To create a new cron job, start by choosing the type of command you want to run. In Hostinger, you can usually select PHP or custom, depending on what your task needs. If you're running a PHP script on your website, use the PHP option. If you have a specific shell command or custom script, use the custom option instead. Choosing the correct type is important because it determines how Hostinger executes the task. After that, enter the command you want to run. This is the actual instruction the server will execute. For example, you might point it to a PHP file, a script, or another automated process on your hosting account. If you're not sure what command to use, double-check the documentation for your script or application before saving anything. That way, you avoid errors and make sure the cron job runs properly. Once the command is in place, the next step is setting the schedule. Hostinger lets you choose when the cron job should run using time intervals like minute, hour, day, month, and week. This gives you a lot of control over how often your task repeats. For example, you could run something every minute, once an hour, once a day, or on a custom weekly schedule depending on what your website needs. Take a moment to think about how often your task should actually run. Some jobs need to happen frequently, while others only need to run once per day or once per week. Setting the right schedule helps your site run efficiently and prevents unnecessary server usage. If you're unsure, start with the less frequent schedule and adjust later once you confirm everything is working correctly. After selecting the schedule, review everything one more time. Make sure the command is correct, the cron job type is selected properly, and the timing matches what you want. A small typo in the command can stop the job from running, so it's always worth checking before you continue. When everything looks good, click Save. Hostinger will then add the cron job to your account and it will start running based on the schedule you selected. At that point, your automation is set up and you no longer need to trigger that task manually. And that's it. You now know how to add a cron job in Hostinger. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the setting, and it can save you a lot of time by automating important website tasks in the background. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger tips, website tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.